Come on, man. Come on, dog. That's what Boosie say. Yeah, man, from running pretty. Damn. Just had a brain fart. Hold on. Just had a brain fart. From running pretty. The Cashapp. I can't even think of the name of the motherfucker right now. Man, got a little bro with me. He drinking and driving. Drinking and riding. Well, same thing. Damn, gas light just came on. Well, I know what I'm gonna do about that. Pass right on by that goddamn gas station. It's gonna go or blow. I got help to push. Oh, shit. My back just went out. Damn. Ain't gonna be nothing to put it back in. Put this motherfucker back in. Go up here to the Cashapp right quick, man, and get this valve stem put in. Alright, man. It's always one nigga, man. Don't nobody turn left right here but him. Go up here and get this valve stem put in, man, so I can get back to Firebird shenanigans. So like I told y'all yesterday, it's cool, you know what I'm saying, that I can hop in the Jeep whenever I want to, but this is not mine. I hate driving her stuff. Even though she gonna be like, oh baby, just get the Jeep. You got a key, just do it. It's cool. If that was the case, I wouldn't have my own if I wanted to drive somebody else's. So, yeah. But anyway, once this traffic died down, pull this camera back out and yeah, see if these guys up here, see what these guys doing. I ain't went up here and hollered at them in a minute. Yeah, always tell man, you vlogging now, ain't it? Yes, sir, I am. Now traffic coming this way. Well, we're gonna get a little step on now, y'all though. Step on that down. Yeah, up here at Gateway, man. Pulled next to the Jeep. That black thing, they been ducking that thing too. I see them ducks in there. Yeah. What up, dude? Man, what y'all charge for valve stem? 28. Y'all got time to do it? Yeah. Alright. Gonna pull this shot out. Gateway. Hold on. Hold on. Huh? Oh. Rock?
I'll be outside pretty soon.
For real? Ah, okay.
I'm building a 442.
Ah, okay.
I'm trying to get out there.
What year that's on?
83.
83.
Just back up. I got
I was back here.
Yeah. Gotta get the rim, short, and mandatory, drive shaft cut.
You Manitoba, you going deep.
20 about 12. None of it.
Damn. Oh yeah, you ain't playing.
I'm trying. Did you vlog every day?
You doing? Huh? Nah, I don't vlog every day. I tried, but nah, it ain't working. It ain't working for me. If I ain't had to go to work and do other shit and all that shit, then it'll be cool. But trying to do that shit every day and trying to go to work and trying to deal with shit at the house and nah, hell no. That's why folks be having like cameramen and editors and all that. That's why they be having that shit, because they know they can't do that shit every day. And niggas that's doing it every day, like they cutting something out. You know what I'm saying? Huh?
This shit got good tomorrow.
Ah yeah, that shit pay good to motherfucker, but it's costing you in the end though. You know what I'm saying?
Man.
Like it's costing you. Yeah, man. So came up here to old Gateway, man. Got a little action. He coming out. Got a little action, man. Boy, see, he got a boy man. We over there old school Sunday. I said, man, rock. I said, man, I be out here in a minute. So 83, cutting 442. I said, oh, what you talking about? Yeah, man, I gotta get some things done to it. Huh? I gotta get some things done to it. The motor already in it? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm just running the fur line right now.
Ah, okay. Sure. Boy, got him some, huh? Yeah. He says an 83. He on the phone right now. I'm gonna show you how this done, man. When he show you how this done when he get done.
My wheels in the back.
Huh?
My wheels back there with myself.
Oh, okay. Man, you gotta tell him about it, man. I don't know nothing about this jump. Oh, you don't want to be on the camera? Oh, okay, cool. He said he don't want to be on the camera. All right, well, man, we got old 83, man. 442. Well, see,
We was confined to a 500 horsepower with a stage 2 4L60.
Y'all heard that, right? 5'3", 500 horsepower, man, with a 4L60. You gonna change that? You definitely gonna change that, motherfucker. But yeah. Boy, say he finna go. You said 26 by 12. 26 by 12, man, with a 9-inch lip. I said he'll be out here in a minute, man. Ah, man, they on it. John said that's John on sale. What's up? That John had the hearse shift in and all that?
Yeah, I took all that out and bought
Oh, okay. Huh? Yeah, the lightning rods on.
Yeah, I took them out.
Oh, okay.
I took mine about this shit.
Okay.
I had to buy this for my transmission shit.
Oh, okay. Pistol grip jump.
Yeah.
I should have got that one, but I think the joint I got cool. I got the T-handle jump. But them joints there, I think, like, looking at them now, I like them joints there better.
Alright.
But I don't want to switch it out because shit, the motherfucker cost so much.
It's alright.
Yeah, I like them junk. I like them pistol grip junk. They got one. I seen one shift that they got the junk that you can stick your fingers in that junk, like the grip for real.
I got the one that came out of my Hershey.
Yeah. Nah, I'm saying like how that junk made. You can stick your fingers in that junk like some brass knuckles and pull that junk back like that. So you ain't got no definite date, no ballpark.
Yeah, nah, cause shit, I went on a 9-day channel with my homeboys, man, but shit, that shit didn't work. The nigga fucked the paint job up.
Real.
And my wheels was on my back order, and I bought the 24s.
Yeah.
And I'm selling them. Yeah, I'm like, fuck, I ain't never ready to fuck this stuff.
Right.
I'll put that together.
That's all I be like, man, I ain't finna rush this shit. Cause it's like the faster you try to go, the more shit come at you, like, man, fuck this goddamn car.
Want to the wheels?
Yeah. You go check the boy wheels out, man. Yeah, man, y'all come holler at these boys up at Gateway, man. Get you right fast. Whether y'all got them wheels, whether y'all need them alignments, whether y'all need all that good stuff, man. Y'all need to come holler at them, man. They always take care of me. We got them collies. Yes, that's the front. That's a front too. I've been saying I was gonna switch up. I actually went down there and hollered at Mo and everything, but I don't know. Cause the wheels that I got on my car, it still ain't nobody that got them jumps. So it's kind of like I'd be a fool to switch up. You know what I'm saying?
Yep, I'm thinking about switching up again. I don't know.
I'm gonna lay the camera down up in this joint. Damn. I got a lip on this motherfucker. Big collies.
Yeah, that's a lip there, sir.
Just trying to stay in my own little lane.
Man, look. Every time a nigga say that right there, I be like, yeah, all right. Yeah, that's different. Cause you going a whole nother level though. Like with the whole mini tub and all that. Man, nigga don't even want to go through that. You know what I'm saying? Nigga don't even want to go through that, bro. Like that shit there, like that's a whole nother thing. Nah, I'm cool on that. I'm gonna probably go with a bigger lip, but like shortening my rear end, that's the farthest I'm gonna go. When I get the mini tub and all that, I know I'm going too deep into it.
Where's the project, man?
Yeah, but shit, nah. I'm already to the point where I ain't never doing this shit again. Ever. Like this is it for me.
Yeah, but that motherfucker straight.
Nah, yeah, once you so you going back, you know what I'm saying, same color scheme, same. So it's pretty much gonna be
Yeah, that color scheme, I'm going burgundy gray with the gold.
yeah, that was a some of them did come like that. Some of the hearts did come burgundy, didn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Two-tone burgundy gray with the gold decals on it.
Yeah.
But if I go there, I'm gonna set them wheels and then go 24 inches. Or back 26s with a brush gold.
Yeah.
Before I mint it up, I'm going to get my color scheme together. Before I pay out that money to get it.
Right, get it painted then, yeah.
Nah, get it minted up and shit.
Ah. Well, no, you know what I'm saying? Before you get painted, like you want to do all this shit before you get painted.
I need to figure out my color scheme anyway.
Well, yeah, you need to figure that out.
Yeah, when I minted up, they got cut up with the trunk of it.
Oh, okay.
They got to know with the outside though.
Right.
Drop the rim.
I just be scared. Well, I be scared as hell. Like, man, I don't want nobody working on my car while it's painted. Like, niggas be careless, bro.
You know, nigga get the hate and shit, but fuck it. Hell yeah. Like the dude had did the ball in that car at first. He fucked me on it. I got to get repainted.
Yeah. I mean, that's not. I mean, you in there though, cause you really. If you look at it, you really like in your own lane anyway, cause it ain't nobody really around here with no hurts. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody really around with no 442 that year. You know what I'm saying?
Only one that was here was Bay. But no, he died. He had a gray one. Nobody got a black and red.
Yeah.
Ain't no other black and red, but then Long Low had one.
Right.
Gray. The
Shit, that nigga had a couple of them.
But shit, that's it.
I think that nigga got another one.
He got another. He got 2 more.
Yeah. So.
But I ain't no other color that color in the city.
Right.
Or 442.
You know what I'm saying? So you kind of in your own league anyway. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of why I did what I did. Like, I wasn't trying to, nigga was like, man, I need to try to clone it to Impala. Nah, bro, I got a Caprice, and I'm really, like, I'm the only one with this right here.
Right.
I'm in my lane.